हेलो एवरीवन, कैसे हो आप लोग। सो इन दिस वीडियो वी आर गोइंग टू टॉकिंग अबाउट व्हाट इज़ पॉलीमॉर्फिज्म. सो पॉलीमॉर्फिज्म is basically existence of an object in multiple forms. Like water can exist in multiple forms in solid, liquid, gas. Similarly, object of an parent class can also exist in its different child classes object. So let's talk about polymorphism. So polymorphism is basically of two types. First is runtime polymorphism and second is compile time polymorphism. So in this video we will talk about runtime polymorphism, that is nothing but method overriding. So in this example we have created an interface of polymorphism and it consists two abstract method, eat and sleep. We are using two different classes, dog and cat class, which implements the polymorphism interface. So in the dog class we are giving the implementation of eat and sleep methods, like dog is eating, dog is sleeping. And inside the cat class we are giving the implementation of polymorphism abstract method eat and sleep, like cat is sleeping and cat is eating. So we can see here we are simply creating the instance of dog class and cat class and calling the methods for these individual classes. So we can see for eat and sleep method we are just overriding the methods inside these two classes. So for one single method declaration we are implementing the methods on the basis of our use cases. Like for dog class we are giving the implementation different, for cat class we are giving the implementation different. So this is all about runtime polymorphism or method overriding. So thank you very much for watching the video. Till then we will meet in the next video. Thank you.